Jai Gurudev. Once there was an elephant by name Gajendra. He lived in a mountain called Trikuta. Gajendra, along with other elephants, they were roaming around the forest and they became a little thirsty. They were looking for water to quench their thirst. So, in the mountain of Trikuta, there was a beautiful lake. So, Gajendra and his friends, they went to this lake, they drank water to quench their thirst. Since the lake was very beautiful, they decided to spend some more time and they started playing in the water, taking baths, showering, playing in the water. While they were enjoying, a crocodile came and grabbed hold of Gajendra's leg. So Gajendra fought very hard to get over the clutch of the crocodile. And all his friends helped him, tried to help him to get over the clutch of the crocodile. And they said all the other elephants became very tired and they decided to leave him off. Gajendra and crocodile, the elephant and the crocodile, they said the battle went on for 1,000 years. Finally, the elephant realized that this is no ordinary crocodile. Maybe it is sent from the Lord himself. So Gajendra started praying to Narayana, Lord Hari. This prayer is called Gajendra Moksha Stotra. So when Gajendra prayed to Lord Narayana, the Lord came in his vehicle, Garuda, the eagle, and with his Sudarshana chakra, he ripped open the mouth of the crocodile and he freed both the crocodile and the elephant. So this is a story. And there is a very beautiful spiritual meaning behind this. The mountain Trikuta represents our three bodies, the physical body, the subtle body and the causal body. The elephant represents our own self. The crocodile represents the Maya, the cravings and aversion. So the elephant, the self, when the self is enjoying in this world, the water represents the samsara, the world. We often get caught hold of the Maya, the cravings and aversion, the likes and dislikes. So all these samskaras, to get over all these samskaras, represents the fight the elephant, the self, has to put up with the crocodile. And it's an illusion that we get, that we often get help from various sources, maybe from our friends and relatives. But when the fight gets too intense, everyone will leave us away. So the only being who can help us is the Lord himself. So Gajendra finally realizes it's the Lord himself that can save him. So he prayed to Lord Narayana, and Lord Narayana appears and frees Gajendra from the clutch of crocodile. So when Lord Narayana blesses us, we get mukti, liberated from the cravings, aversion, from all our samskaras, from the illusion, from the Maya of the world. So, and it is said both Gajendra, the elephant, and the crocodile got moksha. So this is Gajendra Moksha Stotra. Jai Gurudev.